children, let's start with chapter number 3, computer and its parts. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the computer and its different parts. So let's study. I will tell you about input devices, processing devices and output devices. And lastly, we will see the storage devices where we can store the things, whatever work we have done in our computer. So view the names of the parts of computer in a given state. So let's study about input, processing and output. We call it IPO cycle. We input data, then it processes, and what it gives us? It gives us output. So now different parts of the computer helps in the input, process and output. So devices that we use to give instruction to a computer are called input devices. And input devices tells computer what to do. वो बताते हैं computer को कि आपको क्या करना है. So the result that we get after processing is called output. Devices that helps us to get these results or output are called output device. So the CPU is a processing device of the computer. CPU क्या है आपका processing device है. So different devices used with the computer can be divided into 4 groups. Processing device like CPU. Then we have input device, keyboard, mouse, scanner. Then we have output device, monitor, printer, speaker. Then we have storage device, hard disk, compact disc and pen drive. So then we have processing device. What are processing device? Full form of CPU is central processing unit. It is also called brain of computer. इसको हम कंप्यूटर का brain कहते हैं. It is found inside the CPU cabinet or CPU box. It is a processing device of computer. It controls all the parts. ये जितने भी parts हैं कंप्यूटर के उनको control करता है. Now we have input devices. Some commonly used input devices are given for. Like we have keyboard. It is an input device. We press keys on the keyboard to tell the computer what to do. We press keys to type letter, word, sentences and number. Then we have mouse. It is also an input device. It sends instruction. ये instruction देता है computer को with the click of a button. It helps in drawing picture. It also helps in selecting object, right? It is known as pointing device. What we call mouse, it is a pointing device. Then we have scanner. Scanner is also an input device. It helps us to copy document and picture into the computer. So it works like photocopier machine. It changes the printed data on a sheet of paper or hard copy into digital format or soft copy. Then we have joystick. It is also an input device which is used for playing games. With the help of it, we can play games. Then we have microphone. It is an input device that helps to record our own voices. इससे आप अपनी voices, अपना music और अपने other sounds को भी क्या कर सकते हैं? Record कर सकते हैं. Now we have output device. Commonly used output devices are given below like monitor. It is an output device that looks like a television screen. It is also called VDU, that is visual display unit. It display everything. जो भी आप काम कर रहे हैं कंप्यूटर पे वो सब कुछ डिस्प्ले करेगा. Then we have printer. The printer is an output device that we see on the monitor. This is called printout or hard copy. It can print photos, text, and it can print both black and white printout. Then we have speaker. They are the output devices that are used to hear music, voice, sound on the computer. When the speaker are attached to the computer, everyone can hear the sound. ठीक है, हर कोई इंसान क्या कर सकता है? साउंड को सुन सकता है. Then we have headphones. They are the output devices that are used to hear music, voice, sound on the computer. When the headphones are attached to the computer, only the person using them can hear the sound. जो पर्सन को जिसने लगा रखा है खाली उसको ही साउंड सुनाई देता है. जो हमारे आसपास लोग बैठे हैं उसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता. Then we have storage devices. We use many storage devices to store our work. So like we have hard disk. It is a rectangular in shape. ये fixed होती है inside the CPU cabinet. Right? It can store huge amount of data that can be used at any time. It is the main storage device which is located inside the CPU cabinet. ये कहाँ होती है? CPU cabinet के अंदर. So every time we save a file, picture or video on a computer, it is stored on the hard disk. Then we have compact disk, that is CD. It is round in shape. It is a storage device that we can carry around. We use CD by putting it in the CD-ROM drive. जो कहाँ होती है? Fixed होती है कहाँ? आपके CPU cabinet. Now we have DVD, that is digital versatile disk, which is used for storing huge amount of data. Storage capacity क्या होती है? ज़्यादा होती है. Then pen drive, it is called flash drive. Computer has a special ports to connect pen drives. They are called USB ports. इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? USB ports कहते हैं. Its use stands for Universal Serial Bus. When we plug the pen drive into USB port to store data, nowadays the pen drive is the मोस्ट पावर सबसे पॉपुलर स्टोरेज डिवाइस है वो आपकी पेन ड्राइव है. वी हैव एक्सटर्नल हार्ड डिस्क, CD, DVD that we use to store the data. Right? This was all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.